So they're asking us to solve the following. 2 plus 2 equals blank. And then it says 3 plus 2 equals blank. So let's start off with the first one right here. So, let's imagine we have 2 strawberries. Okay, you got that part? Good job. Now let's add it with another 2 strawberries. So what do we get now? Let's count. Let's count with this yellow color here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have a total of 4. And let's go on to the next one. So here it says we have 3 plus 2, but for this we're gonna remove 1 because it says 3 plus 2. 3, and then we're gonna add our plus sign, plus, we're gonna add another 2 strawberries, and we should get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have a total of 5 strawberries. So now if we were to add these 2 strawberries, someone please tell how much we would get? So all we had to do...
Can I?
Oh, yes, please do.
So I always do double numbers, so it's like 4 plus 4, and then plus 1, because 4 plus 1 equals 5. So I do 4 plus 4, and let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then plus 1, because it says 5. And then that's 9. Is that correct?
Yes, it's correct, alright. Good job! And we're done.
Yay!